Hey my peeps, let's fake bake some mummy brownies. So I got the round craft foam from Dollar Tree, and I'm using my rectangular cookie cutter. Now these cookie cutters I got a long time ago. These are Sweet Sugar Bell. I got them from Michael's. I don't know if they still have them, but any rectangular or square cookie cutter will work. I'm just using what I have, and you use what you have. So I cut out some brownies and like brownie shaped pieces, and then I'm going to paint them in burnt umber. I'm using burnt umber for the brownie. Now you're gonna paint these and you're gonna let them dry overnight, okay? So then I got some white clay, and I'm gonna roll it out between two craft sticks because I want the clay to be really thin when I put it on my brownie. So now I'm gonna cut the white clay into strips because that's what's gonna be my, how I'm gonna wrap my brownie to make it look like a mummy. The strips don't have to be perfect or anything. Just, cut them whatever side. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that. Now make sure that you keep them separated, and don't be like me, put them too close to each other and then they get all sticky and messy and whatever. So now I'm getting me some sprinkle eyes. These eyes I got from Playco 3. They have a bunch of different kind of eyes. These are the ones I'm going to use. So then I put some tacky glue on top of my brownie. Since it's dry, the clay will not stick to it. And then you're just going to put your strips of clay here and there and everywhere just to make it look like, a wrapped mummy. See that mess? Don't be like me. Just make sure you keep your clay pieces separated. So now I'm just going to glue down the eyes for my mummy, and then I'm going to continue trying to wrap my mummy. Make sure not to cover up the eyes. And you just put your strips here and there until it looks like a mummy, a brownie wrapped, a mummy. What am I saying? A brownie mummy. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty easy. You just put it here and there. It don't have to be, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not supposed to be perfect. He's a mummy. He's wrapped, and you just put them strips all over wherever. There you go. That's how I'm gonna leave that one like that. So then I got me some brown clay, and I'm gonna dry brush like a little bit of brown on the white just to make him look like, mummies, ancient, old, dusty. And that's it. And there go our mummy brownies. So easy, so cute. Make you some for your tier tray. Look how cute those came out. Right?